converses, okay? Now, what we've learnt about angles and parallel lines, right? We've learnt a few patterns, right? The important thing about them is that these patterns, you can reverse them. You can turn them around. Here's what I mean, okay? What did we say before? We said corresponding angles are equal. This is just an example. We did this for alternate and co-interior. We said corresponding angles are equal on parallel lines. We said that. Okay? Now, I can take this statement and I can reverse it and it's still true. Let's say that again. I can take this statement, turn it around, and it will still be true. Here's what I mean. I can say if corresponding angles are equal, if they are, right? Only if. Then the lines that they're on must be, absolutely without a question, must be parallel. Then the lines must be parallel. So here's what I mean. Look at the first one. If I told you, there we go. These are two parallel lines, okay? And then I told you this angle up the top was 80 degrees. Then you'd say, well, they're parallel lines and the corresponding angles are equal, so this one must also be 80, okay? But this second one is different. This is called the converse, right, of the first statement. When you turn it around like that, that's the name it gets. That means if you take some lines, you don't know whether they're parallel or not, okay? But I say, all right, this one's 75, and this one also happens to be 75. If they're equal, now I can conclude they must be parallel. You see how I'm doing it in reverse? Okay. Now here's the important thing, right? This is not always true. Statements and their converses don't always match up. I'll give you an example, okay? I, despite people who may believe otherwise, I'm a normal human being, so I was born with two eyes, okay? Oh. Here we go.
No way.
Here's me, okay? Normal human being, so I was born with two eyes. Okay?
Why are your eyes going vertically?
Okay. Alright, but, what would be the converse of that? Could I say, I was born with two eyes, therefore, I'm a normal human being? Well, no, you can't say that. You can't say the converse because I could be a whole number of other things. I could be a fish. I could be a lion. I could be a, two eyes. So, please make sure you have this idea of the converse down and how they relate together.